Hello and welcome to All Things Nitty's crochet channel. This week's stitch is the up and down half double crochet stitch. It is a beautiful and really easy 2-row repeat. So this is the front side of your work where you can see that we're going a row below, and this is the back side. Both sides are actually really nice. The count for this pattern with the recommended hook size for your yarn is a multiple of 2 plus 2. Once you have your Okay, so with your multiple of 2 plus 2, you're going to work a full row of US half double crochet beginning in the second chain from your hook. So not this one, we're going into this one and we're going to do a half double crochet. Yarn over your hook, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. When you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Into the next stitch, repeat. You're going to work a half double crochet. So yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over your hook, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through. When you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so go ahead and finish your full row of US half double crochet and we'll move on to pattern row 2. Okay, so once you've come to the end of this row, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Okay, so chain 1 and turn your work. Now this row starts and ends the same with 1 half double crochet working through both parts of the loop. So you'll have a little V on. Okay, so yarn over, go through the first stitch, make sure you have your V, yarn over, pull up a loop, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the down stitch. So this is our stitch. We're going to be working in the space below it, and we're going to work 1 extended half double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, go into the gap below the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1. So an extended stitch always just starts with 1 and then you finish the stitch as normal. So now we have 3 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through 3. Now, the first stitch and the last stitch, you're working through both parts of the loop, but in between, you're going to rotate your work so you can see the V on the top, and we're only going to be working through the back loop, okay? So here's the back loop only, so you'll only have 1 little bar on the hook, okay? So we're going to work a half double crochet into the back loop only, yarn over, through the back loop only, yarn over, pull through, 3, yarn over, pull through all 3. We're going to do the down stitch again. So here's the next stitch. We're going 1 step below and we're going to do an extended half double crochet. So yarn over, go 1 below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Into the next stitch you're going to do the back loop only, half double, your down stitch, so 1 below, extended half double crochet, so pull through 1, then pull through 3. Your next stitch, you're going into the back loop only for a normal half double crochet. Continue doing that all the way across the row. Stop when you've got 2 or 3 stitches remaining and I'll show you just how we end pattern row 2. Okay, so I've just got a couple of stitches left. I've done my up stitch. We're going to do the last down stitch and then we'll end through both parts of the loop with a half double crochet. So this one at the very end, just make sure you have 2 loops on your hook. So you have 2 parts here and work a half double crochet. So you start and end with a half double crochet. We're going to repeat pattern row 1 by chaining 1, turn your work. So this is our full row of half double crochet through both parts of the loop, okay? So yarn over, make sure you have 2 parts, work a full row of US half double crochet. Continue across the row and I'll just go over pattern row 2 one more time with you, okay? So full row of half double crochet. Okay, so let's go over pattern row 2 one more time. Chain 1, turn your work. Your first and last stitch is through both parts of the loop, working a normal half double crochet. Then we do the down stitch. So next stitch along, 1 space below, extended half double crochet. That's through 1, then 3. And the next stitch, back loop only, half double, sorry. 1 row below, do your extended half double crochet. And that's it. That's the 2 rows that you just keep repeating them over and over, and it really does. I'm making this into a blanket so you can see what it's like with a variegated yarn. I really liked this yarn for this project. So the back of the work is nice as well. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please let me know what you thought in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.